Well, hi there, everybody, and good Friday morning to meteorologist Travis Klineski here. We have seen numerous showers and thunderstorms through parts of the overnight early this morning. In fact, things really got going a couple of hours ago, about 3-4 o'clock in the morning, once again after some showers and storms last night, mostly south of the interstate. We will continue to see chances off and on throughout the day of some showers and some thunderstorms, and maybe even a little bit of severe weather later on today. The chances get a little more scattered later on this afternoon, but we do keep chances around all the way through the evening and the overnight hours tonight. So again, if you're not seeing much rain or you haven't seen much yet, there are still some chances out there of seeing some showers and some storms. And then as we head into tomorrow, we start to focus the better attention for showers and thunderstorms in the northern and eastern parts of the viewing area. Meanwhile, drier air is going to try to work into the central part of the state in southwest Nebraska, but if we can get some sunshine to help warm things up, that would destabilize the atmosphere, helping more showers and thunderstorms fire up towards the end of the day. So again, they're still out of the woods. It's not going to be a completely dry day there if we get those showers and storms to fire up. And I mentioned that severe weather threat. Today, there is actually an enhanced risk of severe weather in the southwestern part of the viewing area. If you remember in years past, there was no enhanced risk. There was just the slight risk, moderate, high. Well, the enhanced basically encompasses what used to be kind of the upper end of the slight risk. And so that's what we're looking at in the southwest part of the viewing area, with the slight risk a little bit farther north and east, and then the marginal risk a little farther north and east. So basically the chances of severe weather get lower and lower the farther north and east that you go. In that enhanced risk area, we are looking at the threat of isolated tornadoes, and also looking at the threat of maybe a little bit of hail up to quarter to golf ball size, maybe a little bit larger at times. So that's probably the biggest threat. Once you get into the slight risk and especially the marginal risk, that threat really goes down, especially the tornado threat. Large hail, maybe some quarter-size hail, and some of the stronger storms around the Tri-Cities. And then tomorrow, a very similar area under slight risk and marginal risk out there could see kind of the same threat as today. As for your precipitation out there, this goes till Sunday morning. There could still be a few showers during the day on Sunday. Now keep in mind, some places have already picked up quite a bit of rain, others not so much. As of now, it's looking like we could pick up an additional 1 to 2 inches of rain in some spots. Maybe a few lucky folks pick up a little bit more. But again, keep in mind, this is on top of what we've already picked up. So we're still looking at a widespread 1 to 3 inches of rainfall when you add it all up, including what we've already had since yesterday early in the morning. So again, some additional rain is expected for much of the area. The big question is how much. Temperatures out there for today, upper 50s to upper 60s up north, with a chance of showers and isolated thunderstorms. To the west, many showers and maybe some thunderstorms out there, including that risk of some severe weather later on today. And again, numerous showers and thunderstorms in the south. Temperatures in the mid to upper 60s and lower 70s. To the east, not as much of a chance of rainfall. There is a chance of showers and storms, but maybe a little bit of sunshine. And we could see highs in the low to mid 70s in eastern portions of Nebraska, including 75 in Lincoln. The 70s could make their way to central Nebraska around the Tri-Cities tomorrow with some sunshine. Again, less of a chance of precipitation until the end of the day, when storms will try to fire back up, and some of those chances of showers and storms will continue for Saturday night. Sunday, still some lingering shower activity, mainly in the morning hours. Meanwhile, cooler and windy conditions will work their way in for your Sunday on the backside of the system. And we'll keep it on the cooler side for Monday. Notice those overnight lows as we get into early next week, dropping back into the 30s, and I think freezing temperatures are going to be possible for some days, for some places, especially early on Tuesday morning. That's the best chance. We'll try to get back into the 60s by Tuesday and Wednesday. There are some question marks with the forecast towards the end there, if we warm it up even more on Thursday, or if we keep it back a little bit cooler. And I've thrown in a slight chance of some showers, maybe an isolated thunderstorm there towards the end of that 7-day forecast. There are still some questions with those chances, at least at this point. But hey, that's down the road a little bit. We'll focus on the nice rains we are getting out there, and again, a little bit of severe weather to monitor here over the next 48 hours. So there's your forecast for this Friday. Until next time, I'm meteorologist Travis Klineski, and I hope you have a great weekend.